In this video, we're going to discuss rename rules used with a BSDL file. So sometimes when you read a BSDL file, the pins in the names in the BSDL file don't exactly match the pins in the datasheet. In this case, we were reading the BSDL file for a Marvell E88E1145 part. And I highlighted over here, the datasheet has a picture of the ports. And there's a few pins that when I was looking through the datasheet, they didn't match. So there's a P0S in, a P0S clock, and a P0S out. And if I go look at those pins, they're on P0S clock is on D7. So when I read the pin report and I explore the pins, I'm going to go look for P0_S, and we don't have any pins. But let's go look for pin D7. And we see that I'm using the wrong column, I'm sorry. So we should look for pin C3. And we'll go back. So we can see that the P0 TCP is equal to the P0S clock. And for clarity, so pin C7 or pin C3 is equal to P0S clock plus, right? And in the BSDL file, it was named P0 TCP. So what we can do is we can create a rename rules file, and we go here and we do choose rename rules, and I'm going to show you the file I came up with. So we're going to go rename rules, and we're going to open it up. Edit it. And so what I found is that the TCP in the datasheet is called S_P. So anything with _TCP, we're going to change to S_S_P. Anything with TCN, we're going to change to S_N. And then I found the same thing for these three. P0RXP was in the BSDL file, and P0SIN was what the signals were in the datasheet. So we're going to change anything with RXP to _SNP. And we're going to change anything with P0TXP to SOUTP. So when we have this file, I'm going to close that. We're going to close this and save. So now it's going to use those rename rules when it reads the part. So we're going to say yes. We're going to run the read pin report. And we're going to go explore the pins again. And this time when we look for C3, now we have P0S clock P. So let's look for P0_S again and turn on the pin name match. And what we see is we rename those signals. So the original name was RXN, and we changed it to P0SNN. P0RXP we renamed to P0SNP. P0TCN, which is the S clock in, and the P0TCP became S clock P. P0TXN became SOUTN, and P0TXP became SOUTP. And this worked actually for ports 0, 1, and 2. So we're going to go port 0 to 3 _S for that filter. And now we can see we renamed the P3s, we renamed the P2s, we renamed the P1s. So all with this simple rename file. We changed these names, the TCP, to match the datasheet name. And that's how the rename file works. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it.